We are pleased to show you the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, chrome package, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, chrome mirror caps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.